Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to talk about the CPA marketing free traffic method. So in this video I will explain how you can use YouTube Shorts as a free traffic method for your CPA marketing. Unlike others, you are not going to promote just an offer because you are not going to get any clicks or views for your videos, so you can't convert that into paying customer. But what you can do is you can do something differently with your YouTube Shorts, and you can bring those viewers into your customers and you can make money from CPA marketing. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial, how to pick a niche, what kind of video you can make, how to make the videos, and how you can promote the offers. I will walk you through step-by-step method. So watch the video, like these videos, and if you really like my videos, subscribe to my channel so I can upload one video every single day on make money online. So I'm using CPA Lead to promote my offers. You can find any offers from different categories, from gift card to PayPal, giveaway to lots of other things. But here, one thing you have to remember that there are certain offers only for certain countries are allowed. So for example, if you promote this target $250 gift card, but this offers is only available, that means only you can get paid whenever people from United States register for this offer. You can get paid around $2.38. But if other countries click on those link, they won't go to the target offer, but instead they go to different offers and they sign up, and still you're gonna get paid for that. So don't worry about that. So in this case, I want to promote this target gift card, which is that you can see here. This is the gift card. I had to promote for United States. They had to complete the surveys. They don't have to buy anything. They don't have to put your credit card or anything. Just continue, answer the surveys and create the free account with it. And you're gonna make $2.03 for each sign up. So you can see email submitted and surveys. If they put the email and they complete the surveys, and you can make $2.03 for free. Now this is the affiliate link or the CPA link, so you're gonna put it on your social media. One thing you need to remember that these links won't be allowed on Pinterest or Facebook or any other social media because those social media will block it. But on YouTube it's fine because you can put it on the description. But if you create a video, give you a $250 gift card, nobody going to click that. Now you find the offers. Now I'm going to show you how you can mask it, how you can promote different videos, and you can still sign up for these offers. So what you're going to do, you're going to go here and do YouTube and create an entire new account for YouTube Shorts. On here, you can upload one type of videos over and over again. For example, you can upload funny cats. If you search on funny cats videos, then you can see funny cat video. This is a keyword, and you can see 1.7 million searches every single month. And you can rank that videos on YouTube. Again, you don't even have to create these videos. I'm going to show you how you can create, how you can use others' videos for your YouTube Shorts. So your only purpose is here, you're going to create a new YouTube account only to upload YouTube Shorts videos. So what you do, go to YouTube and search funny cat videos. These are the funny cat videos. On that, what you're going to do is you're going to filter the search result by creative common, which means you can use that videos on your own purpose. You can re-edit, you can re-modify, and you can do anything with that videos. So once you find a creative common videos, what you do, open up, copy that link. You can use any website to download the YouTube videos. After you download the videos, what you do, upload that video to Canva. Like in the video upload section, you can see I upload that video on here. Now what you have to do here, you need to, after you upload the videos, you can drag and drop the video on here. This video is 16:9, so I drag and to make it vertical videos. If I play the video, that you can see the major scenes or the important part of the video is a center of the frame, which is fine. But this video is around 9 minutes and 40 seconds long. So what you do, go to this time frame and you're gonna trim that video to under 50-second long. I'm going to show you why it's 50-second long. So for example, you can say 52 seconds and now is around 50-second long. This is a simple video. So with the 9 minutes video, you can make 9 different YouTube shorts video. After you shorten that you can see, which is around 50-second long, that you can see. If you drag and drop it, it's around 50-second long. At the end of that video, you can add a new frame. In this frame, you can fill the information like subscribe to my channels and click the link in the bio to win $250 gift card. So what will happen is you are creating new YouTube channel and you are uploading only specific one type of content. And in order to promote your YouTube channels, you are giving away gift cards, $250 target gift card. So you put this information on the end of the frame and put the link in the description. People go there and sign up. I'm going to show you how you can make that end frame now, guys. You can see this is the end frame. I put subscribe, win $250 gift card, link in bio. This is simple information that end of your YouTube show, you're gonna put it on here. So altogether, this entire video is around 57-second long. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna download that in the MP4 videos. Simply is your video is done. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload the same video on the YouTube. And you can upload that on the you can see, if you want to promote this same video on other social media like TikTok or Pinterest or Instagram Reels, I suggest to build an entire landing page separately for this offer. Or you can use any link in bio tools to mask that URLs so you won't get blocked. But here I only focus on YouTube Shorts. So what you do now, you have the keywords and your video is ready. So you can upload that video, click upload button, and you upload that video that you downloaded from Canva. You're gonna put funny cat video ever, something like that, and you're gonna put the hashtag shorts on that. Then you copy that and you're gonna put it on the description, and on that, on the bottom, you're gonna say win something like subscribe to my channel and win $250 target gift cards. And we're gonna go back to your CPA lead or any CPA network. You're gonna copy it and you're gonna go back to your YouTube channel and you're gonna put it on here. Simple like that. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna upload at least 5 to 6 video every single day. So if you go to Canva, you already download and upload a 9 minutes long videos, so you can make 9 different video out of it. So to avoid that, you can at least upload 3 to 4 videos from one single videos, and your template is already ready. You don't have to make a new one every single time. So put together and download a 60-second videos and upload it onto YouTube Shorts. And whenever your videos start to go viral, it will go viral on YouTube Shorts, and you can bring a customers or the viewers to click your links and they sign up for the offers, and you can make $2.03 for free using YouTube Shorts. So I hope you understand these videos, how to make money online using YouTube Shorts and CPA marketing. Again guys, if you have any questions, write me down in the comment section. I will make the video for you. Until then, have a good day. See you in the next video, guys.